Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have an exclusive video on the channel, and it comes to us from NUU Mobile. This is the NUU Mobile B40 5G with a dual screen in the camera lens. This is going to be interesting. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the NUU Mobile B40 5G. Box looks incredible. I will have a link down below. This should be running around under $300, but I will do the unboxing and we will have the spec rundown. But look what it has. It has a display and the camera setup. Really cool. Let's see if I can hide my IMEI. This is what it is. So if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, you definitely can. B40, it does work with GSM, WCDMA, LTE, 5G bands, all that good stuff. 6.7 inch AMOLED Full HD Plus 2400 by 1080, 1.58 inch AMOLED display on the camera setup. Octa-core CPU up to 2.5 gigahertz. Rear camera 64 megapixels plus a 2 megapixel setup. Front camera 16 megapixels, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal memory here, and a 5000 milliamp battery. What does it include? I will show that to you in the video. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. See what you get. So you get a charger in the box, which is rare. So you get a charger in the box. You have your SIM ejection tool, and you have your charging cable type C to type C. Looks like a pretty long cable. Let's take this out. Very curious. Welcome to the family. We're here for you. You guys can pause that and read it for yourself. Definitely can. Put that to the side. Let's put this to the side. Let's see exactly what you get in the packaging. So you get a free case. You get some NUU Mobile stickers, some silica gel, and you have your get start guide. This is a regular gel case, but it comes with the device. Like, if phone companies could do this, why can't others do it? I mean, check out the price for this and the specs. Now, it's not the top dog specs in the world, but for what you get a different phone, and you just get a really nice presentation. All right, now look at this. Very cool. You guys can pause that. 64 megapixel AI camera, NUU Mobile logo. Nice clean finish on here. Really light, by the way. You have a nice little stainless steel look to it, but it might be aluminum. Really thin. Look how thin this phone is. Let me just show you my iPhone 17 Pro Max next to this device, and you're gonna see how thin this phone actually is. Look at the difference here. Unbelievable. All right, if you want to do a little size comparison, you can do a size comparison to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. A little taller. But as for the phone itself, let's power this baby on. It looks like you do have the nice curved edges here all the way down, and we could power this on. Really thin buttons too, really thin. NUU Mobile startup screen. Let's just see exactly how this goes. This should be interesting. Hi there. Let's see what you got here. Let's see, how do we activate that? I wonder if we can activate it without setting up. There you go. There's an actual screen on the back of here. What does it actually do? So you could play music. Let's see. Let's get a little closer here. So you actually have a home screen, has a step counter, has a battery percentage, and you could swipe through. You could play your music. Has a compass, camera, use it. See if it has like a drop down screen. Alright guys, before we go, I did actually want to set it up real quick so I could show you what comes outside the box before I do my initial review on this. So I did actually skip a whole bunch of stuff, but as you can see, it is running Android 15. As you can see from here, these are the apps that are pre-installed. So basically how this would work, let's see if you just tap the screen. I'm trying to figure this out. How does that work? Alright, so the screen is on. So you have to double tap if you want to show the screen. Does it work with the screen off? It does actually. So the screen is off, and if you double tap, you get all this stuff. Now let's see if it's customizable. Let's see how that camera is, number one. Alright, see the quality. Alright, you have an AI camera, a night mode, video, portrait, film, beauty, whole bunch of different stuff here. Pro mode, panorama, you guys can pause that and read it for yourself. Dual view video. This phone is jam-packed. Let's see how much storage you get out the box. Let's go into storage. 240 gigabytes free. This is definitely pure Android, as you can see from here. Really clean setup. Let's just see setting up your device. Very curious to see if there's a tutorial. NUU Mobile help. Let's see if there's anything when it comes to that screen on the back. Vista display. See what that's about. Alright, so as you can see from there, has a couple of options. Display with the main screen, which is pretty cool. Vista display lights up with the main screen. Display when turning over. Let's turn that on. Double tap to wake. And display app notifications. That would be cool as well. Different screens, so we can actually change the screen, which is really cool. Let's pick this one. This one looks pretty cool. Go back. Let's put the level all the way high. Let it time out after 60 seconds. And let's see how useful this could be. So check that out. That is fire. Look at that. Alright, so what do you guys think about it so far? This is a really cool design. Let's check out how it looks from the front facing camera. Let's just see how that looks. Dual video, as you can see from there. Really cool. And we will definitely do a nice little initial review or even a full review. You guys let me know if you guys are interested in that. I think that this is pretty cool. We'll see exactly, will it be useful and will it work in everyday type things. So if you guys want to buy this, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of new mobile products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. Later. Play some music.